Why did you come here?
Because I tried to commit suicide.
Yes, I knew that, of course. But what I don't know is why you tried to do this. Could you tell us how you did it? What did you feel like doing when you were alone?
Usually I have to keep busy doing something.
Or else what would you be thinking about?
Oh, I don't know. I can't say. I can't say what I'd be thinking about.
I took an overdose of pills.
100, didn't you?
100, yes.
And why did you want to commit suicide?
Because I didn't want to face anything.
What about when you doing something to get rid of yourself? What about that?
I don't remember thinking about that.
You don't remember thinking about that?
No. No.
This wasn't the first time.
No.
How often did you try? Do you remember telling me about that?
No, I don't. I don't remember.
What do you think when I try to remind you of it now?
No, I don't like to. I don't like to be reminded of it.
You don't, eh?
No. I don't like thoughts like that.
Oh, I've tried quite a few times.
Why did you try so persistently to take your own life? It's a difficult question.
Yes.
Possibly go back to work and keep going. I had stopped work to go into the hospital because I needed some treatment. And if they weren't going to give me a shot or something, I couldn't see how I could possibly go to work again.
I was just desperate, and I couldn't face things that had come up. So I thought the easy way out was to take pills and it would be all over. That's what I did.
There was nothing that you could enjoy?
Absolutely nothing. There was no one I could see that I'd be glad to see. There was nothing anybody could say that would cheer me. Although, as I said before, I could still tell a joke.
Even then?
Even then I could tell a joke.
And make other people laugh?
Yes.
You told me the other day that you have always made every effort not to show that you're depressed. Have you always made it a point to kind of cover up your real feelings?
Yes.
Why?
Because I think the reason for that is that I'd always been known to be a joker, and I enjoyed the fact that people enjoyed me telling them jokes, and it would give them a good impression of me. I think that was the reason why I could still. I tried to muster up the strength to tell a story so somebody would notice me.
Well, I guess that's just part of me.
And you could do it.
And I could do it. Yes, strangely. And in fact, some of the nurses remarked, how well I told the story.
And how good humored you were, I suppose.
Yes. Although others didn't understand me so well. It told me to get the wrong look off my face. There was one nurse in particular, of course I won't mention any names, but there was one nurse in particular who I didn't think really belonged there.
When I was quite young, for a time I went through a stage where I was a real monster.
In a hospital like that?
No.
Pardon?
Probably she didn't belong there.
Because I was sitting there, my face must have been a mile long, and she more or less criticized me for it. She just as much as to say, there's nothing wrong with you, what are you looking so glum about? And I half believe that.
I tried to to get my mother's attention, which I couldn't get, and I would break things and cry and throw tantrums, and it didn't do any good.
I have to believe that she was right. There was really nothing wrong with me. All I had to do was be a man and snap out of it.
And that made you feel worse.
That made me feel worse.
That's the sort of thing that people would do, still do quite frequently when somebody is depressed or looks that way and say, oh, well, just snap out of it. And then the person feels worse because they think they should and they can't.
And then I realized that my aunts and...
What were some of those problems?
I was having some problems believing in myself.
I'm sorry?
Believing.
Believing in yourself? In what way?
You know, I was depressed and...
Can you tell me something more about that?
I wasn't working.
Had you been working?
Well, I graduated from college. I didn't know what I was going to do with my life. I went to Colorado.
How much time did you spend in Colorado?
7 months.
Were you working in Colorado?
Mm-hmm. I was a waitress, but I quit.
Why did you quit?
And why did I quit the job?
Mm-hmm.
Because I decided to go see my boyfriend.
Where was he?
He was, here in Indiana.
Did you move in with him?
Yeah.
How has that been?
Not very good.
You said before that you're living by yourself now. Did you move out?
Yeah.
When did you decide to do that?
About a week ago.
Did some major event affect...
There's always something major surrounding any decision, isn't there?
Well, was everything going smoothly before you moved out?
I don't think it was going real smooth. I don't think I really tried hard enough at making the relationship work.
But you felt everything was okay when you first moved out? Was your mood depressed then?
I don't know, I guess I was depressed.
When would you say things in your life changed? That you noticed a difference in your mood?
Difference in my mood?
Mm-hmm.
My moods always change, don't yours?
Yours always change?
Yeah?
How do you feel now? Is it like you might feel if someone close to you died?